Hello student, I am going to solve the question number 25 second. In the some question hints are given. Better you don't see the hint, you try to solve the question what I given concept to you according to that. If you can't solve, then you see the hint. You can ask the question. So this will be y plus z x plus y x z plus x y plus z y, this is z, this is z plus x, or this is the x plus y, or that will be equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z. You know that is expansion. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z in the one bracket is another bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Is clear? So first you think, if you will use C1 plus C2, C1 10 2, you will get x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. This will be x plus y, C2 10 2, C2 10 2, C2 minus C3. So this will be y, then z, then x, or this will be x, y, z. What will be common here? From the first column, x plus y plus z is common. One, y, z, x, y, z. After that, I have given you concept. You will make this one 0, any two. So R2 10 to R2 minus R1, or R3 10 to R3 minus R1. X plus y plus z, this will be 1, y, x, 0, z minus y, y minus x, 0, x minus y, or z minus x. Yes, now expand it along the C1. Expanding along C1. This will be x plus y plus z, or then it will be 1. This cross multiplication you do, then z square, then zx, then minus yz plus xy minus this value. If you take the minus here common, here minus common, this will be x minus y square, or this minus plus x minus y whole square. This will be x plus y plus z square minus xz minus yz plus xy, or this will be plus x square plus y square minus 2xy. X plus y plus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz or minus zx, or that will be equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. You have studied this in the class 10th. Is it clear? So in this way you will solve. Now see the question 29, first part. Three x minus 8, 3x minus 8, 3x minus 8. If you use C1 10 to C1 plus C2 plus C3, you will get 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2, 3x minus 8, 3x minus 8. This will be common. 1, 1, 1, 3x minus 8, 3x minus 8. Clear? Or that will be given equal to 0 here. This will be equal to 0, this will be equal to 0. Now get the value of x. One value of x will be 2 by 3, but you can check, maybe you can get other value. So R2 tend to R2 minus R1 or R3 tend to R3 minus R1. 3x minus 2, 1, 3, 0, 3x minus 11, 0, 0, 0, 3x minus 11 equal to 0. Now expanding along C1, 3x minus 2, then this minus 0, you will get 3x minus 11 whole square equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 3x minus 11 equal to 0, x equal to 2 by 3 or x equal to 11 by 3. I suppose it is clear to you. Yes. 3x minus 11 whole square equal to 0. Then you can write 3x minus 11 equal to 0. Here square is given, so there will be two value of the x. X equal to 11 by 3. Clear? 3 square, so 2 value of 11. Now one more question we will see from this exercise. Question number 31. One plus cos A plus cos square A, 1 plus cos B plus cos square B, 1 plus cos C plus cos square C. Then prove that it is ABC angle of the triangle. Then prove that it is isosceles triangle. we make this and this one 0. C1 tend to C1 minus C2 और C2 tend to C2 minus C3. Then you will get here क्या आएगा, ये 0 हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा cos A minus cos B. Here it will be you will solve cos A minus cos B. तो cos A minus cos B और प्लस cos square A, here you write better, plus cos square A minus cos square B. Here it will be 0 cos B minus cos C. Here it will be cos B minus cos C plus cos square B minus cos square C. This clear? Or this will be 1 plus cos C plus cos square C. What will do after that? You will take common cos A minus cos B from the C1 or cos B minus cos C from C2. What will be here? 0 1. अब यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा, cos A minus cos B कॉमन हो जाएगा और ये भी हो जाएगा. यहाँ क्या बचेगा, 1 plus cos A plus cos B. Here 0 1 plus cos B plus cos C. Here it will be 1 plus cos C plus cos square C. One plus cos C plus cos square C. Correct? I suppose it is visible. Now, what you will do? You will expand. This is given equal to 0. So after that, cos A minus cos B minus cos C. Then you will expand along the R1. ये हो जाएगा 1 plus cos B plus cos C minus 1 minus cos A minus cos B. Cos B cancel, 1 cancel, or that will be equal to 0. It is given. Imply equal to cos A minus cos B minus cos C minus cos A equal to 0. So what do you get? Cos A equal to cos A minus cos B equal to 0. So cos A equal to cos B. Cos B equal to cos C. Or this equal to 0. So cos C equal to cos A. What will you get here? A equal to B. B equal to C or C equal to A. If any two angle will be equal, A equal to B, B equal to C, A equal to C. Any what will be here? From this A equal to B. Clear? So you are getting this is the isosceles. Implies that it is an isosceles triangle. किसी भी एक कंडीशन से A इक्वल टू बी हो गया तब भी आइसोसेलेस, B इक्वल टू C हो गया तब भी आइसोसेलेस, C इक्वल टू A हो गया तब भी आइसोसेलेस. So this is the isosceles triangle. So in this way you will try to solve this exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now how can you find the area of triangle? This is the triangle. This coordinate is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. The area of triangle equal to x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. You will solve this. You will expand, you will find this value. Then you can get area of triangle. Area of triangle 1 by 2 you will take here. Area of triangle will be equal to this. If area of triangle equal to 0, then these points are the in a straight line, means these are the collinear points. Now you will see the some question of 4.3. Using determinant find the area of triangle. First question, using determinant show that the collinear. This is the first A. So points are 3, 8, 1, then minus 4, 2, 1, then 5, 1, 1. Area of triangle equal to 1 by 2. You can, if you want to use property, you can use, or directly you can find out this value. You want to make this 0, you can make this. So R2 tend to R2 minus R1, R3 tend to R3 minus R1. Then 1 by 2, or then 3, 8, 1, minus 7, minus 6, 0, or 2, minus 7, 0. You will expand, then you can get the value 1 by 2, or this will be 49, or 6 to 12. So minus is already here, minus minus will become the plus 12. So 1 by 2 into 61. So 30.5. This is clear. If you want to expand directly, you can expand. It is asking second question, asking collinearity. You will find the area of triangle, it is equal to 0. Then points are collinear. Now question number 4. Using determinant find the value of lambda. These are the collinear. Collinear, points are collinear. Implies that value of this determinant area of triangle will be 0. Then what do you write here? Lambda 7 1, 1 minus 5 1, minus 4 5 1. It will be equal to 0. Actual area of triangle will be 1 by 2. This value will be 0. So directly we will take for collinearity. This determinant will be 0. You can R2 tend to R2 minus R1 or R3 tend to R3 minus R1. Lambda 7 1. So this will be 1 minus lambda minus 12 0, minus 4 minus lambda minus 2 0. You will expand according the along the C1, expanding along C3. So 1 or this into this, so minus 2 plus 2 lambda will be here, or then clear, or this will be minus minus become the plus, so minus 48 plus 12 lambda equal to 0. What do you get to simplify this? 2 lambda minus 2 minus 48 minus 12 lambda equal to 0, minus 10 lambda minus 50 equal to 0, 10 lambda equal to minus 50, lambda equal to minus 5. This is value of the lambda. Here all questions are very simple. You will try to solve. Which question is not clear, you can ask tomorrow or on the Sunday. Then I will give you solution on the Monday. Okay? Here सब क्वेश्चन बहुत सिंपल है. Question number 6. Area of triangle is equal to 9. 1 by 2 x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 or x3 y3 1 equal to 9 लिख देंगे. फिर वैल्यू फाइंड करें डिटरमिनेंट की, फिर के की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. क्लियर? So similarly you try to solve the question.